The 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide is more than just a motorcycle. It's the pinnacle of Harley touring performance, comfort, and technology. Built for riders who demand luxury and power, this machine blends Harley's timeless character with modern innovation. Bold design. The CVO Road Glide carries the iconic shark nose fairing, refined with sleeker lines, integrated LED lighting, and premium detailing. Hand-applied paint finishes like Raven Fade, Copperhead Orange, and Racing Orange with carbon accents give it an exclusive presence. Chrome, blacked-out parts, and polished finishes remind you this bike belongs at the top of Harley's lineup. Engine and performance. At its heart beats the Milwaukee-Eight 121 VVT engine, tuned for around 125 horsepower and 139 pound-feet of torque. With variable valve timing, it delivers smooth low-end grunt and top-end punch while improving efficiency for long-distance rides. The suspension system uses Showa inverted forks and electronically adjustable rear shocks, offering stability and comfort. Brembo brakes provide confident stopping power. Whether cruising highways or tackling curves, this bike feels planted and powerful. Tech and dashboard. The cockpit features a 12.3-inch DFD display, customizable with navigation, performance data, and media. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and GPS, keeping you fully connected. The Boom Box GTS audio system, developed with Rockford Fosgate, delivers crystal clear music, turning every ride into a concert on wheels. Safety and rider aids. Harley packs in modern rider assistance, cornering ABS, traction control, tire pressure monitoring, and hill hold control. Adaptive LED headlights improve visibility, while the aerodynamics of the fairing reduce fatigue on long rides. Touring comfort. Touring comfort defines the Road Glide. The heated and cooled seat, ergonomic bars, and adjustable floorboards allow for hours of relaxed riding. Hard saddlebags and optional top trunk add generous storage. Every touchpoint, from the stitched seat to premium finishes, reminds you this isn't just transportation, it's Harley's flagship bagger. Price and final thoughts. With a starting price around $44,999, the 2026 CVO Road Glide sits in the premium range, but its blend of performance, luxury, and exclusivity makes it one of the finest touring motorcycles on the market. For riders who want the best of Harley-Davidson, style, technology, comfort, and power, the 2026 CVO Road Glide delivers freedom and prestige like no other. So there you have it, the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide. A motorcycle that blends iconic Harley styling, the brute force of the Milwaukee-Eight 121 engine, premium touring comfort, and cutting-edge technology into one unforgettable ride. It's more than a bagger, it's a statement of freedom, prestige, and performance. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more Harley-Davidson and motorcycle updates. Your support helps us bring you the latest reviews, features, and riding inspiration. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe, ride free, and we'll see you in the next video.